Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, then welcome. So happy new year. This is the first video of this new 2018. I was gonna say 2008. Whoa, 10 years behind, girlfriend. So today I am here to bring you guys this video. Everybody is posting their resolutions and their new year, new me, new goals, new this, new that, new life, new people, all of these things. I still haven't seen anybody post home remedies for their illnesses that they caught last year. But don't worry, I got you. With all of this commotion going on, Texas being an extremely cold, like just cold. Texas is not a cold state, guys. Maybe the northern Texas, but central Texas down, we wear bikinis on Christmas, okay? It's been really cold. It snowed twice here in Austin. I know it snowed back home. So with all that and our bodies, I guess, not being used to it, our immune systems are just low. My immune system is constantly just sucking. I give it its right thing and it just sucks. I just have this video for you guys. These are just home remedies that have helped me. I'm constantly sick, and this is just something that pushes me through. I suffer from sonic infection. I suffer from sinus infections. My whole life I've suffered with them. I've always had to take Claritin. I'm allergic to everything. So when your girl is telling you these work, is because these work, okay? Started before we make this video really long. So first off, when you wake up in the morning, I know the last thing you want to do is actually wake up. I live alone. So if I want something given to me, I have to go and get it myself. So I started off the morning with a little bit of stretch, try and like move my joints a little bit. My joints are always aching per usual. So now that I'm feeling like way more sick, I just literally just want to die. So I wake up, go to the bathroom, do my business. And one thing that I know when I'm sick is the last thing I want to do, and I know it's really gross, but it's brushing your teeth. Now, when you brush your teeth, you want to scrub your tongue pretty well. This is like on a normal, hygienic kind of thing, But when you are sick, you're going to notice that there's a lot of white buildup in your tongue. Sometimes you might even get little bumps. You want to wash and brush the whole thing, just do it. And it's gonna be like so tedious, especially when you're tired and your body's aching. You don't want to just be there standing, but do it. And another thing, try and invest in maybe like $1 or $2 more in toothbrushes that you can dispose, and they're actually going to be disposable. I know a lot of I know a lot of toothbrushes don't do that, but try and find some and buy 2 or 3 when you're sick, so you don't keep brushing your teeth. Like, use it for 2 days, 3 days, and then throw it away, and then use a new one, and then when you're feeling better, get a new one so that doesn't come back. I know I have a sinus infection, but I know a lot of you guys have the flu, cold, all these other things, viruses that might just be going around and keep getting sick. Second, I know this sucks. My lips are chapped as hell. Don't abandon your skin. Don't abandon your skincare routine. Now, instead of making it lengthy, just do a little face splash or with a little bit of soap and just a little bit of face cream and be done with it. You don't want your skin to get too dried up. Your body's already going to be dehydrated naturally. It's just fighting. It's doing its thing. Last thing it wants to do is make your skin radiant. So you have to do that for yourself. The third thing that I do in the bathroom is a sinus rinse. Now with the sinus rinse, I know that sometimes your nose is going to be clogged up. Do it a little bit, as much as it comes out. When you start feeling the bubbles, just let it rinse and then blow your nose and then do it again. But with the sinus rinse, neti pot, all that stuff, try and keep it to 2 times when you're at your sickest, maybe 3, and then just a healthy rinse, maybe once a daily or every other day. You don't want to dry up your sinuses. Another thing I like to do is take baths. I actually don't like to take baths, but they help me. Take baths with Epsom salt to relax your body. I know your body's aching, so this will just help it soothe muscles, soothe everything, soothe yourself. Another thing I also like to do in the bath is add eucalyptus or peppermint oils. It just, again, it all has to do with aromatherapy. I know a lot of Epsom salts, like the one that I'm showing on the screen or have showed already, does already have oils in it do that too. Anything helps, honestly. Get yourself a bath bomb. Go to Lush. Order it online because you don't want to leave. To the kitchen, which I think is the most important one. First off, I should have said this in the beginning. Stay hydrated. Drink lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of water. You are gonna have to go to the restroom a lot. As soon your pee coming out clear, then just keep drinking water. You still need to hydrate, son and daughter, kid. Hydrate. Here I have, I don't know if I'm showing it right now, I don't know what I'm doing, but these are some of the things, if not all of the things that I use when I am sick. Sometimes on the general, I just really like the flavor or something. So, one thing that you want to drink is probiotics. We all know probiotics keep bacteria, good bacteria and bacteria in check, blah, 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 blah. Helps with your immune system. Your immune system is fighting something right now, whatever it is that you might have. So give it probiotics. For me, the easiest way to do it and the most delicious, in my opinion, is kombucha. I love kombucha. Drink kombucha. Another thing is ginger, turmeric, cayenne pepper. All of those three. They work perfectly. Spicy food, just in general, I actually have some salsa there. Spicy food, think about it. When you eat spicy food and then all your mucus starts coming out, that's exactly what you want. You want all your mucus to come out. It is stuck up there. It is like a gum doing this and it's just blocking everything, and that's why your sinuses hurt. Turmeric, ginger, all of this just helps with inflammation. Your sinuses are pretty irritated right now. Let them just relax. Okay, just let them relax with all this anti-inflammatory things. What I like to do is honey, lime, lemon. With honey, I think it's like an antibacterial too, or I don't know what the hell it is. It just works for me. I put honey and lime juice, mix it together, gargle it, and then swallow it, and it just helps with my sore throats. This is just in general, that helps. Vitamin C. Do I need to explain it? Hopefully I don't. Just drink your vitamin C, okay guys? Drink it. Another thing that I discovered this year, apple cider vinegar is a natural antibacterial, antiviral, anti-all these things. It's just anti-inflammatory. This is something that's kind of like a natural medicine, so might as well take it, right? Teas. Teas are great. Try and keep warm liquids going through. Now, if you can't drink teas for whatever reason, hot water and lime helps, okay? Just keep that. Now, these teas that you're seeing on the screen right now, on your screen, like chamomile, peppermint, linden tea, those are my personal favorites. Linden tea, just a new favorite. I really like the taste, but I like how it makes me feel. Chamomile tea relaxes me, puts me in a mood to just try and have my body fight whatever it is I have. Peppermint tea, same thing, as just the smell of it. It's just soothing and it's great and it feels homey. And linden tea, a lot of the times, I know for myself speaking, when I'm sick, I get even more stressed that I'm not gonna be able to go to work, I'm not gonna be able to do that, I'm not gonna be able to do this, whatever. I just stress out and I get so much anxiety. I already have anxiety, so when I'm sick, I even get more anxiety because I'm not doing stuff that I need to be doing. I can't go work out, I can't do anything. I mean, I can go for walks, but I can't do my camps because then I get more sick. So with that anxiety and that stress, it just builds up your whatever it is that you're sick with. Does that make sense? So we want to relax. We just want to relax, okay? So yeah. Now with all these ingredients, I'm going to tell you guys some stuff that I like to do. Now, I don't know if on the video you did see that there was like a little concoction on a mason jar. Well, two of them. One of them was a salsa. It's literally just serrano peppers, boil them up till they become clear, and then add some tomatoes, canned tomatoes to it, a little bit of salt. Put that on eggs, toast, whatever it is that you want to eat, and it will take your mucus out. Another thing I like to do, wellness shots. My favorite wellness shot, I've actually tried 4, but I only like 2 of them. One of them is a full juice of a lemon, then a teaspoon of ginger, teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or as much as you can handle. Fill it up with 8 to 10 ounces, 12 ounces of water, shake it, and then just drink it as a shot. And then do that twice a day, one in the morning, one in the afternoon. Another one that I like is the apple cider vinegar, which I had seen before, and then I saw it in the Tone It Up 5-Day Detox, and I was like, yes. Apple cider vinegar, water, a little bit of lemon, a little bit of honey for sweetener, and cayenne pepper. All of that helps as well. Another thing that I like to do, besides the honey and lime gargles, I like to do the water and apple cider vinegar. It is the worst thing ever to taste, like worse than Robitussin. It's horrible because you're gargling it and you can feel the apple cider vinegar, and it tastes bad and it smells bad, and you can be stinky after that. But because it is an antibacterial, it just kills whatever yuckiness is going on in your throat, and then you feel better by the next day if you do it twice the day before. Your teas, whatever tea you drink, especially the chamomile tea, my personal favorite. If you add a little bit of honey and lime juice, it tastes delicious, and it's great to sip it around and keep that warmness going on. Eat broths, chicken noodle soups, all of these things. Try and keep it clear liquids, just because you don't want something too heavy or too thick. I think that's all in my list. Honestly, let me know if you know of any other remedies. El Vaporu, keep rubbing El Vaporu. That's gonna help you. That's gonna clear your soul out. A lot of these things I did grow up with, the more like the wellness shots and the kombucha stuff that I learned as an adult. So yeah, make sure you try these out, guys, and if they work for you, please let me know. And if you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and if you loved it, share it with your friends or with somebody who's sick. Just go share it with somebody that's sick, or you know what, be a good friend. Do these things for your friends. Be that friend, okay, guys? I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Honestly, I know it's totally off from what I usually sometimes do. I just know that this year didn't start off too well with my health, and it didn't start too well with a lot of people, so hopefully this helps you guys out. And yeah, I will see you guys next time with this ramble going on. I'm gonna drink my tea and I'm gonna lay down before I go for dinner. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.